Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. I will guide you step by step on how to send money from the Cebuana Lhuillier app directly to your Gcash account. This method is easy and secure, so let's get started. The first step is open the Cebuana Lhuillier app. First, open your Cebuana Lhuillier app. Make sure you are already logged into your account. If you don't have an account, you will need to sign up first to use this service. Step 2 is select money. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the send money option. This will allow you to send funds to your accounts including Gcash. Step 3 is choose send to other wallets. Next, choose the option labeled send to other wallets. This lets you send money directly to a digital wallet like Gcash. Step 4 is enter recipient's information. Here you will need to enter the recipient's details. For sending to Gcash, you only need the recipient's Gcash mobile number. Double check the mobile number is correct to avoid any type of issue. Step 5 is enter the amount. Now enter the amount you'd like to send. Remember, there may be some transaction fees depending on your account type, so keep that in mind. Step 6 is review transaction details. Before confirming, you will see a review screen. Make sure all the details are correct, especially the recipient's mobile number and the amount. Once you're ready, confirm the transaction. Step 7 is enter your PIN. For security, the app will ask you to enter your PIN. Go ahead and enter it to confirm your transaction. The last step is confirmation and SMS notification. Once the transaction is complete, you should see a confirmation message. You and the recipient will also receive an SMS notification. The funds should arrive in the Gcash wallet almost instantly. And that's it. You have successfully sent money from the Cebuana Lhuillier app to the Gcash account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more guides like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.